How to turn off subscriber count on your public profile on Snapchat app. Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off the subscriber count on your public profile easily. So first thing, go to Snapchat. This is the home page as you can see right here. Go to the top corner and click on your avatar like this, and it will take you to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple, scroll down and click on my public profile like this, and now this is my public profile. Click on edit profile right here easily, it's very easy. Now all what you have to do is, this is the subscriber count, turn it off like this. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much.